Welcome guys to the Crochet Bits channel. In this video tutorial we will crochet a rectangle, lace rectangle that can be, if you make it bigger, it can be a table runner. Also you may use it for crochet bags or crochet blanket. For this rectangle I'm going to use 4mm crochet hook and medium worsted weight yarn, my leftovers. So we start with a slip knot and chain 10. Chain any other number that is multiple of 3 plus 1 extra chain. Chain 10. Now into the fourth chain from hook, make 1 double crochet. Count this first chain 3 as 1 double crochet as well. Now make 1 more double crochet into the same chain. Now chain 2 and we will go on forming the first corner. Go on working into the same chain 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. The first corner. Now skip next to chain. Here in the first round I'm not going to make chain 1 between clusters, so skip next to chain and into the third one make 3 double crochet. Perfect. Now skip again next to chain and into the third one. In my case it is the last one already. Again make 3 double crochet. 1, 2 and 3. Now chain 2 and go on working into the same chain. Chain 2 we will form the second corner, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. And now we need to form one more corner here, chain 2 and 3 more double crochet into the same chain. 1, 2 and 3. Perfect. Now 3, skip next 2 chains and into the third one, into the same one that we were working already before, make 3 double crochet. Now we will work again into the fourth chain that we were working before at the very beginning, like here, 3 more double crochet, 1, 2 and 3. Don't forget here, chain 2 to form a corner, chain 2 and join into the third chain. Here the third one with slip stitch. If you're going to change the yarn color, cut the yarn. And later we will weave in all ends. Perfect. Take the second color. So that's what I have at this moment. And always attach new color into the corner. For example, here. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and 2 more double crochet in chain 2 space. 1, 2. So in total 3, we count chain 3 as first double crochet, then chain 2 and 3 more double crochet into chain 2 space. 1, 2, 3. Now make chain 1 and work next 3 double crochet in between here. There is no chain 1 space, just in between. 1, 2, 3. Now chain 1 and again repeat 3 double crochet in between here. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. Now into the corner. 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and again 3 more double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Now make chain 1 and into the next corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Then chain 2 and again 3 more double crochet. Now chain 1 again in between here 3 double crochet, chain 1 again here 3 double crochet, now chain 1 and work into the next chain 2 space, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 1 and join into the third chain. If you're not going to change the yarn color, just make 2 more slip stitch to reach the next corner. Take the third color and let's go on crocheting. Again, attach the yarn into the corner, chain 3, now 2 double crochet, then chain 2, and now 3 double crochet into the same chain 2 space. Now make chain 1 and work 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Again, chain 1 and 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Again, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Now make chain 1 and into the chain 2 space, into the corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. Chain 2 and 3 more double crochet. Now chain 1 and 3 double crochet into the next chain 1 space. Now chain 1 and in the corner 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. So I hope it's clear. In this way, go on crocheting. So chain 1, then 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet into the corner, 3 double crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet. At the end, chain 1 and join into the third chain. Again, cut the yarn, and in this way you can go on and increase your rectangle. I stop at this moment and I'm going to make a border. Again, new color, join it into the corner, chain 1. Now make 2 single crochet, 1, 2. Now chain 2 and 2 more single crochet into the corner. If you want your angles more rounded, just make 4 single crochet without chain 2. After that, go on working in each stitch until you reach the next corner. 1 single crochet in each stitch, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, then 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, and again 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 1 single crochet into the chain 1 space, again 1 single crochet in next 3 stitches, then 1 single crochet in between and 1 single crochet again in next 3 stitches. Go on crocheting till the next corner. So in the corner make 2 single crochet. For this rectangle I'm making chain 2. For other 2 I did just 4 single crochet in the corner, so you decide. And go on with 1 single crochet in each stitch till the next corner. That's it, go on, and I will see you at the end. Now cut the yarn. I'm going to use a yarn needle. Now you may also use a hook. Thread the tail, pull the tail now underneath very first single crochet, this one, underneath both loops, and now into the center of the last single crochet, and like this we got invisible join. That's it. Weave in ends, and cut the yarn. That's what I have, and the corners look like this. If you want more rounded corners, like here, just make 4 single crochet without chain 2, what I did here. So you decide. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Check the written instruction on my blog. You can find link down in description box. Stay tuned for more crochet tutorials, and I wish you all a good day. See you soon, and bye for now.